Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to show you how to convert video files using FFmpeg tool in terminal. I have already posted a video on how to install FFmpeg tool in Ubuntu, so please do watch that video also. I have added the link to that video in my description box, so please do watch. And in this video I will show you how to convert video files using this FFmpeg tool. So here I want to convert this .webm video file to Mp4. So for that, let's open our terminal and type, and we need to go to that video's location or directory. So for that, let's type cd. It is in my desktop, so cd desktop slash, and it is in my future link folder, so we need to type the folder name and type enter. So by running this, we will enter into the location of that video. So by typing ls, we can see the files in that location or in that directory. So here we can see that file with .webm or our desired file. So I need to convert this .webm video file to Mp4. So for that, let's type FFmpeg space -i space, then we need to type the name of the video file that we need to convert. So here it is, disabling internal keyboard.webm. So I type that name of my video, then space the name we want to give to our new video, which in our desired format. So here I am giving the name new .mp4. So by running this, it will start converting the video. Meanwhile, let's check our location. Here we can see that while running this, there is a new file is already created named new.mp4. It was in the same folder of our old video. So let's wait till the process finish. So that's it, the conversion process is finished. Now let's open our new file with .mp4 extension. Yeah, we have successfully converted our .webm file to .mp4 without any problems, and we got same video with same quality with another extension, that is .mp4. It is the easy method to follow. So hope you like my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.